How to fix contact poster not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of phone. Once you find it, open it. Now scroll down, you will see the option of show my caller ID, open it. Now toggle on for this option. Once you do that, head back to the main page of settings. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. A simple restart can often fix minor software bugs and glitches to help you resolve the issue. Heading towards next solution, what you can do is update your software. So open this option software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Now the very last thing you can do is scroll down, open this option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset, click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix contact poster not working after iOS 17 update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.